Like this, for instance, guys. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I kind of seen it at the track Saturday. But the toe in, what it is when I say the toe in on the tire, is the tire is actually sitting in here. And what I want to do is take some shims out of the A-arms and stand the tire up more, so that the tire is standing up more. Let's see if I can see it right here on this tire. It's hard to see. I seen it more out the other day when I was at the track, but I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. What I'm saying is, since I put the upper ball joints on it. Okay guys, what I done was I took, these are the shims that bees in the A-arm, and as y'all can see, I took one out right here, and I took one in the front. You can't see it, but what it'll do is it'll push the A-arm out that way, stand the tire up more. So what I want to do is take them two shims there and then slowly tighten this back. I don't know if I'm gonna took too much out of it or what, but you have to check it, see what you got. I'm gonna start with that one. This is normally what they do if they take them uptown and you have them lined up. This is what they normally do. So I'm kind of like somewhat lining mine up myself instead of paying somebody. I probably should actually be paying somebody to do this, but I'd rather try it and do it my way. I guess I'm just being a cheapskate. But I have did this before and it's worked out pretty good. So I guess we'll try it. See what we got. And by me doing this, it's standing the tire up more. Probably should actually be on level ground somewhere. And what you want to do is tighten both of them back, and it pushes the A-arm out, and it'll stand the tire up more. So let's look and see what we got now. That looks like that helped it. So I'm gonna try that on this side, and then we gotta try it on this side. See what we got. If you notice though, like right here, the tire's sitting in, and that's what I'm trying to do. Is I'm trying to stand it up and stand it up towards the fender more. So I just done this side. You see how much more it's standing up straight, guys? So that's kind of what I want.
immediately subscribe to Nick Performance Sonata.